Windows 11, you can enable system protection. System protection is a feature that you must enable manually to allow Windows 11 to create restore point automatically during specific events to protect the current setup. Also, when the feature is enabled, you can create restore point manually before making system changes to protect your system. In the event of critical error, you can use a restore point to recover your computer to a good working state. Hello guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel Shaem Tech BD. Today I will discuss how to enable system protection from PowerShell on Windows 11. I have a request: if you are new to channel, please subscribe and stay with us. Open Start. Search for PowerShell. Right click the top result and select the Run as Administrator option. Type the following command: and press enter. Type the following command to enable the protection for a secondary drive. After you complete the step, system protection will enable on Windows 11 and you will able to create restore point manually and automatically. Hope you understand. I have a request: if you are new to channel, please subscribe and stay with us. By watching my tutorial for more tech videos, you can subscribe.